Yes, if you feel stuck, what did they'll give you?
Oh my God, I go try because a pressure men are eager anytime where they do topic where resemble a character. I must put a name. They say you know just live la.
Can I have my static?
A pressure make it time what we enjoy. Where
She's getting all the publicity.
she's getting all the publicity. She like her, and I lie, she not like her. She not like her, but she needs her. The reason why, where I always dey use pressure men when I see some kind of character. Now make she for learn. Although many people for social media go say, I'm a martial lady of my own. I am responsible for my action. Oh, responsible for dirty action. I'm a gallant lady of my own. A gallant lady, you will not see them in shit. You get me? Before somebody can come to social media and say, look me wrong. I am responsible for my action. My dear, you go make sure no say you bath. And if we really look you round, we not go see one day sick come up for your body. But you see the one where it be say, you are just dirty back and front. I'm responsible for my action.
Yes.
I am martial lady of my own.
Yes.
Nobody feed me.
Yes.
Who you they feed also? Who you they feed? If everybody come to useless just because say nobody they feed each other. Eh?
Hi guys, how you all doing?
You understand? So the reason why I always they use pressure make me for all this type of thing. Now make she learn. You understand? Like now, this party now, whether she like it or no, she must cook because she no go one for the one where money can talk. She must buy drink. She must make sure say she package. You see, one way or the other, that one now help. Okay, you know John.
Hi. Monica obviously is taller than Lola since I arrived at her house.
As a boss lady.
As the owner of the carbon.
Yeah. Check me round. Check me round. I'm responsible for my action. I'm a martial lady of my own.
And she now
I
can
do anything I want to do.
Hello, how you are doing? You guys have been enjoying yourself. How was the case? One more soda.
The case. My one more so why you more because Palace need to know what is some chips they do for inside there. You understand? So, Lala, they say koyo.
Oh. It's why wait to make koyo na ya enge lolo rima.
Okay.
That was out.
Lala.
Wait to make koyo na ya enge lolo rima.
I say opoko nu we hin o keke ni bi ujini nu.
Okay, wa koyo tu wa. Wa ko. Love you.
Oh my God. So my people, now we want to talk about urban people. When we want to talk about money water people, urban people, Ipepe people, Osuno get the people, all of the way that they want be. The reason why we say the rest of us, as we see all these people more use the tail lane, we more use the lane. And again, rules of social media. If your audio gone to public, okay, you have just one thing to save it.
How?
Truth.
Okay, that's
Truth.
Very correct.
Truth.
Very correct.
I'm just saying this for expo for other people.
Yes.
You know, say for the police station and for the social media.
What music was that too?
Was the music? Where a social media now, where the best saga or saga go finish.
No, saga cannot finish because when your matter comes out, when the truth is out, when your story, clean, dirty, is out, the only way out is to tell the truth.
Right?
Only the truth can set you free. Only the truth. So, just come out, make sure you get hold of whoever is in charge of the case. It doesn't necessarily need to be the two of us.
No.
But all around live video.
Even if you decide to do the live video yourself, please come out with the truth.
The truth.
I tell you,
only the truth can debunk the case. It will finish.
Listen,
you know,
within this weekend, una see say I put some names for social media also. Later, the whole thing come be like so maybe. Why? As the big rich, they came with the truth. And with the truth, fire when they make the don't want do. Okay, still see your back here people oh just now. One side bring the issue. When the other side still come talk. And really that lady don't really first tell me about his sister, his brother with the kid that time. You understand? And when the whole thing we come talk and just now, you see how the thing don't they go down now. But now only me palace respond to them. Now we go come the talk. Why he be say that he go reach their town palace will say come tomorrow. Something is there and it's not good because the only place to get truth and not the truth, nothing but the truth is the palace. So everybody should go there and take their truth. Nobody should be treated otherwise. But if not like these people they talk, may palace also take action. We have police on social media where they watch for palace. You guys should take action so that people will not bring the palace down with all this their way.
So the only way out is the truth and nothing but the truth. Even Precious Meg that time when we went to Precious Meg's house when she was crying, you know, she was crying about people hate me, people don't like me.
No, I want to use it because Niger Watch they go they put a picture. Niger Watch, oh please don't do that. We didn't even talk about Precious Meg that day. You just put a picture.
She's just an example. Example. When you have good example, you use it. I told Precious Meg, I said, Precious Meg, the only way you can be free is just to tell the truth, and everybody gradually will get to hear. Yes. They will come to you. You understand?
Okay.
People will come to you. People will see the video. Please stop insulting her. She have told the okay, I've come now. I want to tell the truth, but nothing but the truth. Trust me, every other person will just like, oh, stop it. She have finally said the truth. It's okay. People will no longer support escalating the whole issue anymore. You understand? But some people will just feel like, I'm already in the lie. Let me keep cooking myself. Add Maggi, add salt to the lie. And it doesn't help, my people. Okay. It doesn't help. Please. Okay?
Hello? Hello?
All right? That will not help you. And you see all these people who believe all these things, as you all can see. I think that's what we are talking about today. Ouch. Where there is hot, my face scarf. So what we're going to talk about today is that
it's your best in the time when we are going to okay. One low life or what way or a via live video or we maybe when need that word for lesbianism.
Mona can't give us.
Mona can't give us.
We need to collect them. Now no figure the coppers like that at the end of the day. No award.
Somebody even comment today say wetin make Lolo and Monica never call until now because they be lesbian.
Good for them now. When I go learn better one.
I tell you about that girl that time when they call
Samantha. Those they fight lesbian. They fight.
They fight. Where this our we know they fight because we be agbo you and the don't know what we tell us can check up. I'm a husband.
They fiao.
They be. But they be sha.
No, it's
to don't they used to that.
Netherlands say it's to do.
Don't they used to that?
Yeah. That's Dutch way. Dutch way go say yeah.
Oh my God.
Cat.
So my people. Okay. So when we bring all these names come out, they say all these names now
they are good example
of what is going on.
Have failed them.
Yeah, what is going on now? Yes. Okay. Number one, if you see all these people where I call their name, they get their God and gods. Okay. Just that sometimes they go mix am up. Instead of make them stay put, just to they call their own God's name. Sometimes they'll still they call our God. Oh, they'll say Holy Ghost fire. They'll say in the name of Jesus. Okay, we don't mind. You understand? But many times these people they represent, they dedicate themselves. Like social media president, now you get Ogunbe, Ogunjide, Ogunjide Gbe, Ogun Awolokbe, Ogun Asun, Ogun Ogwie, Ogun Ikan, Ogun Ikmomo, Ogun Ikankan,
all of it.
Muegbe. In short, sometimes he go also.
They sing a song for them.
And sometimes he go also talk. Say in a native doctor, this day, but now not the disgrace. When breeze blow that day, now so far Onyash open for ground. Now so I'll talk and reach. Then Arameya Uefe Ajebo. That one also, he go come out. He go say, my God, where I know, my father. Iye no man. Asigidi. Nene amugbiyan.
Awa mugbe omo egbe no nobody dead yo. Iye no ma ogbe, asigidi ogbe, osopika ogbe. Then all of a sudden we now start hearing
okay.
Holy Ghost.
Then no, he never reach. So he never say. He too, he constantly get big when breeze constantly blow. Foul nyash constantly happen. Whoa, public disgrace. That time me, I never the reason this their God. Oh, I never the reason this their gods. You understand? So he never say no gay. That one go just stay wear red clothes. Me go say this small boy be like saying red bell. That one will just say me. I be Ayelala pikin. Me, I believe in Ayelala.
That one, before he used to greet me, he would say, hello, mama, how are you at this? When one issue can't happen, he can't run him out. That cocola say, but come on. What it be that matter with you talk? He say, mama, me, I believe in Ayelala so much. I say, okay, bye. Light and darkness. Got no business.
So when breeze constantly blow that day, now so foul nyash constantly open for ground. Ayelala in the presence of Ayelala, he received disgrace. He walk out. At that time, I know lie. I never see reason their gods. I never reason her. So from there, now yesterday, my sister. Ivie, my darling sister, Ivie.
Yes, Otwan Wegbe.
My darling sister, Ivie, aka Hope or Moy Bungbe, constantly happen. Now from there, Mommy water.
Let me go down. No.
Mommy water. Hey, no yebe no yore. Obaname no roke. Obaname no rame. Obaname doriye sweet. Obaname doriye fanta. Obaname perfume doriye na him. Obaname yoye na ya weto we no tani. Obaname ikpi no ruweze, ikpi nekwe, ikpi no flegbegwerie, ikpi no wamewo wie, ikpi no we kai wota. Baname no, ivere, jeve o. Me, I never still reason the matter. Now yesterday come. I never still reason the matter. Now this morning come. Now that me come know say Jesus.
Now
this. Now I can't start to the reason. I can say wait these people. It be like say they have something in common.
A lot.
Now I can't connect them. I can see some of them get gods. All their gods get S at the end.
Small G.
And why it be say now only they for social media. Now they always anytime when breeze blow.
Their gods go you come off for road. No let her.
Not do I want that when oh na DJ now and they come up. Hello. Botao. Okay. So my sister, you mean say Mokpa notice where Iyana ni wa get gossip na. Me wa dekun yan bang bang bang.
Why you can't remove again?
Because you are saying the real truth.
Where say my sister?
I'm really praising you here. Everyone of them, you are saying the truth.
Oh, no blocker me and delete. Okay, you're my lady. Where say?
Maybe I no blocker.
Okay, bye.
Now, so we not see you. But now me taste sweet. Monica, they watch me. I know they wait. I know they pass. Not be 2 seconds. And they go there. I know they go there. But now me taste with the only thing that they see at the end of the issue now. Only that one mean they see at the end of the whole. Okay, give you a sweet account.
So let me call the wonder. I can say, oh my God, these people have something in common. Because sometimes me see the reason our presenters. You understand? I can say, if you see all these people where all these things do they happen to, all of them get Gos, we get S at the end of it. Now say this matter I go bring and come. Why I want bring and come be say, more than not forget. Our work for social media we be like doctor. Only say doctor where the hospital, if they give injection for nyash and if they give drip. But our work now mouth we take they give injection. And that injection where we they give with mouth, we still be doctor because we be motivational speaker. And that doctor where the hospital, if they treat anybody, even he enemy, he go treat him.
Of course.
Even if friend, he go treat him. Even if you be terrorist self,
He will treat you.
he go treat you. Doctor no
go
get
through
enemy.
borders.
So if you look our job, we be like. If you look our job, we be like doctors. We not supposed to get favorites.
No.
We not supposed to get the one where we put for our black book.
Not at all.
Because our work now, doctor, we supposed to heal everybody wey come our
course.
way. If you like, you be our enemy. As far as say you don't dey down, we must try to give you water, give you food, give you hand, say get up again. Because our injection now with mouth, our drip now with mouth. Wetin they do? If they heal the soul, if they comfort the feeling, if they pet your emotions, if they calm you down.
No, we'll be back. We'll talk. Is it up to 4 hours?
No.
It's cool. No battery.
Now so it talk.
No. I don't know. I just want to go examine it. We'll be back. Just a minute, guys. Hey, we're back. It's still rolling. Or is it no battery? It's back.
It's back. It's low back. I said it. Oh, wait, line. Okay, my line.
No, yeah.
Okay, my people, sorry, low battery. So you understand? So when I come see what happened to these people where they talk about, so I can't know say no. We need to use them to advise other people. Who knows? People will also they go their way. Make you see what they happen to them. Make you use until learn. Make I start from Evie because now Evie will just stay fresh. It be like new bread where they come out from bakery. The scent everywhere. And even she herself no even want the thing to rest because it can't be like say the thing so she don't they used to run. If they not talk a matter, make she take the make video every day. She know the sleep. Me, I now I they believe say maybe even sleeping tablets where they give. I not sure say they work.
You know they take her, they work. She know they take her.
You just say still they work for your body.
They work, but you know they take her.
Okay. So instead of make she take a tablet, she prefer to make video again and again and again and again and use 2 minutes to sleep. You understand? And you know good. e no good for her. You understand? E no good for her. And because she get God wey get S at the back, her own case go always dey different. And she go say, if my case come out, everybody no talk am, take chop, make sure say e dey everywhere. No be my case now. Na true. But because he get God wey carry S, the case no dey sweet, e no dey fine, no story to take home. Some people go dey look and they go dey cry. Some go dey look and go dey pain them, say, God, who do this one like this? Because if you talk, say everything dey all right with these people wey get small gods, you dey lie. So use and tell them today, know the God wey you want choose. Then they see God wey go carry something wey supposed to be your shame and disgrace.
Take them away.
He go take them away. He go replace them. He go change them. He go be your glory. He go be for your upliftment. But you see these people where they serve small God, God forbid may any shame and disgrace not just come their way. The way they take meet them. Sometimes they use the past 1 year. They not still see the end way. E.g. like social media president wey dey. They always confess say so many times he don't sweat this in shop and he not do anything. He do this in shop and he not do anything. Now even when he dey small pikin, now the thing don't they do the thing they go, yet he never do anything. But me and you we get normal eye, they look am, we know say my God,
many things is
this
wrong.
thing you know they way. So now we can still see that the way be say Arameya UFA aka Ajebo can still come out. That one it can be like say he want join our God. Instead of iya no more Arabina, how you they call her? Iyo momo. Iye no mind. He can they use our God till they cast a band. Holy Ghost fire cast a band. Anybody will say me no good, no progress for this abroad. Holy Ghost fire cast a band. Mr. Arameya UFA aka Ajebo. I want to tell you, my brother, maybe you don't see who tell you. You know, if you move from darkness today, enter light today, then you will use the name, it will work for you. No,
Possible.
It's not possible, my brother.
Don't
let nobody deceive you.
Confess him as your personal Lord and Savior.
Yes.
If not, you don't just do that. You know, if you do it, shame and disgrace, the type that you have done donation
my
to
brother,
yourself,
please.
will come to
You know, if you live room of darkness today, enter light and begin to use the name, and it will work for you. No, my brother, don't let anybody deceive you. Say anybody use the name of God. Holy God fire you.
No, it won't work.
Not be everybody the answer.
Then you begin to cry and say, which kind of God
God
is
be
that
this?
they are talking? It doesn't even work. It doesn't even
Please,
work.
my
It
brother,
doesn't
if
work
you really, I can see that the God where you serve all this
that way. They
while,
have failed.
they have failed you.
Yes.
Imagine you don't serve God this while, nothing to show
No
for it
headway.
according to you.
Yes.
No headway.
No.
Everything agbano.
Backward
Everything
lies,
agbano.
frustration. and
Frustration.
all of that. Try
Yes.
to pretend, try to cover up,
I
but
hide.
still it's not working.
Exactly.
So obviously our brother is getting tired of that kind of lifestyle. But you must look for God the right way, not the way you want to do it. And you know the most dangerous thing in all is mix. When you want to tell yourself you want to mix. My brother, you'll be more than confused.
Exactly.
So don't do that.
Don't do that.
If you want to
Mr.
stand your
Ajebo,
way, stay your way. If you
Exactly.
want to go to God, go
to God. Because
fully.
even this one where you they do so, when you come out, come they say Holy Ghost fire, you they pray. Do you know Ojuju people go they vex? I they tell you what I know. But you go feel say, why Monica they come my name? Because I know you are walking on a dangerous lane. Please, you are a call presenter. Don't do that. Because if for Juju people, they vex for you now. If they throw you anything now, it go reach you. And you go come say, but I don't call God. I say Holy Ghost fire. Why Holy Ghost fire not come? Because Holy Ghost fire never register your name. No, not you. You can't just come from here. Enter here, start on you. If now na so it take dey work, and that means everybody go dey do bad now. Until one day you just wake up, you say, Holy Ghost fire kill my enemy, go really feel am. My brother, you know they work like that. Be careful. Make societies where you dey, let them not come try you because you are disgracing them and they don't like it.
Yes.
And if you
and
really,
at this
really,
junction, you have something vulnerable that will destroy you. So
yes,
you
and if really you are sick and you are tired of them, then go about it the right way.
yes,
God will see you through. Go about it the right way. And my brother, another thing, there is principle when it comes to the way of God, the things of God.
Yes.
There are principles. You will just convert today. Who are you to come and be praying for other people? Who do you know?
It's not possible. No matter what anybody
Jesus,
wants to
don't let
some
nobody
like,
deceive
you.
you.
You can be this. No,
Hey,
it's not possible.
it's not possible.
It's not possible.
It's not possible. You can't be a native doctor today.
And then become a born again tomorrow, and then tell yourself you want to heal and make miracles.
Jesus, it doesn't happen that way.
It doesn't work that way, guys.
So,
Let's not be deceived.
So that God now turned his name to be Paul. He was working for God, but in a wrong way. You understand? He was working for God. Go and read that story well, because that is where most native doctors they convert.
Yes.
They'll say Saul used to kill a prophet, and later he was not man of God. He was, even when he was killing prophet, he thought he was working for God. He was working for God, but in the wrong way. Until God changed and said, "Come, this is not the right way." He don't they serve man-made God. He wasn't serving any other God. He wasn't serving God. He was serving God. He was so zealous that he was doing something he thought. It be like some Christians now. We go say, because I be Christian, I no go put earring, I no go make up. Now so we Saul be. Meanwhile, when God, he have a kata with God, you don't have to. Even if you wear earring, if you want to go heaven, you go. You understand?
Please, can I say something? Some of you on Monica platform feels like you have the right to air your opinion, which is very okay. And I've been reading some, and I feel like if it makes you happy, my dear, go ahead. You know, I've decided not too long ago that if insulting Lolo makes you happy, go ahead and do it, okay? Just do it. Don't hesitate and don't think, oh, Lolo will be angry, Lolo will block me. No, I won't. Knock yourself out. And also remember, I'm not the one that tell Monica to be TV. You understand? If you people say that,
where is that one coming from? I bet, don't say that. Did I beat TV?
Lolo.
Where is that one coming from?
Lola is the one that made Monica to be TV. Oh. Monica is doing it because of her friend. Oh. My people, that means you people don't know what you are watching. These are the group of people who don't know what they are watching, who
so
don't
why
understand.
You understanding them?
No, they need a little bit of it. Wait. You understand? You guys need a little bit of it to know that EVA matter is social media matter. To me, they are sisters, that one is apart, but it's social media matter. So don't take it personal and stress yourself alongside Evie. If you love Evie, go and help her. Call her, keep her on the phone. Don't be here. Do you understand? That would do her a lot of good. Because you can see
they even answer them.
You know they answer them.
If they answer them, they call Ogun for them. That's what they call them. So won't boy disturb them. You know they answer them. Mona come and
so why would you guys be fooling yourself on another person's
come
video?
tie Evie, tie am. Like a put her for my neck. Now everything, anything now they take on try Monica. Me Monica, yeah, bulldozer work better. What man in carry? Only Ghost fire ni carry anytime. Go my
If it makes you guys happy, knock yourself out.
Scam that day, still coming, don't go. Nah, if you walk back,
walk back.
This one will be say, Monica, now your sister. Monica,
it's okay.
Talk to her. Monica, fight for her. Monica, help her.
Monica, just because Monica,
you must annoy me. Need to go na to your hook. Mona can't tie her for my neck. As I they talk, so it go to make
Monica, don't because they talk that one, sis. I don't mind though. Monica, don't because of your friend BTV. Monica, don't because of Lolo. Monica, come and talk Lolo. Oh, Monica, come and disturb.
Lolo, when you're
there's that your old phone.
Bring her come now. Let the player. If the player will come and disgwagwa it here. Okay, so more continue waiting with it.
I bet my dear, don't kill yourself for all of matter. As you can see, when me I show my full face, listen, they make me know this. Hey, yeah, you see my full face. You know they go anywhere. It made them finish. Hi everyone. You see exactly. When I cut time, wait, chain. You know we are chain. I made they want put out for there for you.
Okay. So that is that. And also, Enogie, the same thing I see happen to them.
Exactly.
That they see people wey not get paper before.
No be
And that they come up people for us before. If
No
they
be
even talk at today, say several times, more than 4-5 times, where the loser they throw their things for outside. Nobody hear them for social media
Not at all.
until Ivie said it. But they not get home when it happen. Even Aduro not be say they kill the paper yet. Video carry on. These are sign of disgrace. These are sign that your gods are not working.
Of
My
course.
people, if you want to make a transfer or change, please do it. It will be very, very good.
At this
If
time,
you come for me, and make sure say you carry chaka bula. If you carry just ordinary, you the Christ, you the man. You don't know your enemy.
No, they will come with. No, you know what they call. Lala na single mother. That one no they walk.
Not the work.
No they walk. Lala no girls man. Monica, you don't really talk about them for social media. Now they invest. So.
Because they don't play while we are playing audio. Eh?
You don't really talk about social media. You don't really beat your friend Lala put. Eh? You understand? Those are not they work by people. Bring like if you one family member will play audio. Somebody will call your father will call social media. If my papa don't die, so that one no fear happen. Mama don't die, that one no fear happen. You see? So maybe you can go look for. I don't think any of my family members will even take bribe or donation from social media for them to sell Lolo out if there is anything to, you know. So it go say.
Okay.
But what they say, if you see, no hesitate. Feed them. They need some food.
So my people, that is that. And for Ivie matter, I'm just going to a little bit talk on it. A little bit. And my people, yesterday we make agreement. Say if you not go they wash Ivie, more still no so na contribute. Because this life, we are our brothers and sisters. As Ivie be una sister, na so you be my sister. Don't wear old one back komo. Now everybody now they train picking. Okay? If una feel say now only Monica una lie because una don't spoil and finish now. Una spoil Ivie. No block her. Don't block her.
Bye. I don't need somebody for this platform. Block now you enter. You know read the comments. You know her.
I don't know am.
If you are here.
Because when you don't see any Vienna like now, we Viero Wado. If you need to contact them, say I did husband see the proof. Because if you know them, because if you not tell them, no show them the proof, you have to be Viero one. You understand? Now if you know them, the people like me, I don't know them.
Okay.
No. So if you matter yesterday. Now we all talk about some. Say we all now need to gather help this girl because why? Una don't spoil them too much. Where? Una go ask a question where they know they ask person.
And she'll find it so necessary
to answer. No question. I don't ask if you wait no answer. Una go still say if you're not talk if you. No explain to anybody. 3 people go say no explain. You all nobody explanation. 10 people go say
200.
which time Okeke come put some. What make your man not talk? If you go and take care of your children,
No,
if you say your children don't,
if you they say your pikin get what did they call that in that time?
they are they.
No.
Autism.
If you they say your pikin get autism. If you come out 4 hours.
Yes.
Autism is not
If
this.
now let for
Autism is
work,
not
man.
that.
1
Autism
week.
is not this. Autism is
1 week.
Oh, darling. grow
1
up.
week. If you let me tell
not
you,
nice.
if you let me tell you what you don't
Since
know.
they don't want to leave her from the live video, if you learn other way. Since even Ivie said it that she can't live live video, Ivie then learn other ways
Yes.
not to answer to stupid questions because it makes you stupid.
Exactly.
Don't
That's
do
simple
it.
truth.
Don't do it.
Let me tell you,
Because these people just want to feed their own self. Some of
they
them
are
are
feeding
not
their
out.
own depression.
Yes,
out
some
of
of them.
your own depression. But
Exactly.
you will tell them, I'm not depressed.
Yes.
They know.
You
know.
know?
You don't see the way they take the pack on your side. They drop
God.
non-entity comment because they know now, based on the same feather,
Yes.
to get that depressed women.
And you know that's
but
one-
their own day inside,
and
and you
that's
bring your
one
own
kind of
comment.
comment some people do drop in our live video that me I can't take it because sometimes I just see it like this person needs help and they don't know how to get it. They rather start chucking nonsense into what you're talking. Actually, if you do come out maybe with 1 or 2 cents, like, oh, I've got this revelation or this idea, let me share it with the people. But because some people are so depressed, they are just looking for where to feed their depression. These people will come and be distracting Ivie. You understand?
Hello, mama.
And that's what messed Ivie whole brain up. We have another presenter who also can't take it, but she can't speak about it. But rather she go home and be treating herself. But I begin to wonder, how long will you treat yourself if you cannot train yourself to stand against people like this, to stand on what brought you to live video? If you have anything to give to these people, give it and leave.
Okay, Oma.
Stop paying too much attention on them. Then it's no longer you entertaining yourself or doing what makes you happy. You are now working for these people who actually don't want nothing from you. So you just have to know yourself, Ivie. If you think live video is too hard for me to live, I think this is the only thing I have for you.
Oh my dear, look at me. I'm saying it with full mouth.
You know?
What do you think? If Ivie cannot leave live video for Okeke, Ivie cannot leave live video for his children, Ivie cannot leave live video for herself, Ivie cannot leave live video for her job is at stake, Ivie cannot leave live video for her own life in Europe is at stake, Ivie cannot leave live video for so-called baby father that give me paper that used to help me or that is not devil. Because I said it yesterday, for me, hey, it go take somebody to waka from here to Nigeria with leg before I can believe Ivie. I can't. If you not like, Mona they convinced of all the blah blah bullshit she say to you. No be your head, be my head. But the only thing where go be say many of you now sungu. If you believe Ivie and you are angry that Monica did not believe her, who are sungu? Because I'm not you. You are you. I'm not you. I make my own point. Life direct. I'm not like you guys, eh? Where they hide. Who not go the kill and they go? Who not go hide for coming? See me. Life and direct. Hey, you do come. If I love you, I like you. If I'm with you, many of you have to know it on social media already. If I'm with you, I'm with you.
Yes,
until you do the otherwise. Wait for me.
Of course.
If Ivie tell me now, say, good morning, my sister, I'm going to look kind. And you are worse to say, oh, what's to finish? Or prove that my sister, you cannot believe me. What did you think?
No, I don't.
How many times
understand.
I don't tell you now,
I don't
say,
know what. Sometimes I begin to
like-
wonder, what do you guys take Monica for?
I don't understand.
What do
They
take you for?
irritate me.
No, I don't think he irritates you like me.
Oh, Jesus.
And then that's where they will start.
Because-
It's not yourself. But guys, it's very irritating for you to underestimate and downgrade somebody in that manner. It's not funny.
Like seriously, una feel say I dey follow Ivie, I not get sense. This is another
That's
warning. I'm surprising you guys, right? So slap yourself. You go cry. yes. They'll slap themselves. They go cry. Many of them will feel say, Monica, they follow Ivie. For that reason, it's what happened. Monica put on that pillow. Wasungu wedenerowa because meti change in if you meti change in the bay if you meti change in the if you meti change in odonori if you meti change in Australia if you meti change in Winage
Monica,
mene Monica they don't change in winning me no man no make no you no make no kede if I bought lawa gbe one no comment me if we bought lawa gbe if I bought here lawa gbe una ego gbogbo yi sane Una kamegbe wewe ibwe Monica de do wewe say ijo nu kokomo imehi o salo boya agwene ye gume ban but ijo nu kokomo ura gbe mi kwa wo wae o wa mu bi ne pata o wa mu eju ye ki boy iwa na je no kwa pa be very nice I mean na tiri o wa me bet ura wa we ni dan o ga you bin we no abio eri me wa je je no kwa one yawa koko we yawa mo shitty way but woman I love egbewe I cannot love you
It's very simple.
It's obvious this lady
simple.
don't love herself. She has condemned herself.
don't even
Why
know
will you
what
guys
it
be
means.
putting it on me? Are you crazy?
Yeah, because she claimed to be your sister.
It doesn't matter. If you are my sister, that is the major reason you will give me chance, give everybody chance. Do you think it's only me Ivia is disgracing? Ivia have people all over the world.
No, because
She's blocking them because you block them on Facebook. Ivia, does it mean that you have blocked them from your blood? Does it mean that you have blocked them from your name? Does it mean that they don't still see you? You don't care about nobody. You care about yourself. Your fucking self. Do you care about anybody? No. You don't even care about your children. People say I should care for you. Shake it, waka. Shake it. How many times I don't tell and say, I stand for everybody. If Ivie cannot give in, Ivie cannot come down for our children, fuck you, Ivie. I say, fuck you 10 times. You can't stop nothing. You can't stop for your children. And you want Monica. Me. Ayobo Jayak Bememi because Yobo Jayak Bememi. Do you get me?
No, many don't.
You can't come out now and say, this is one thing Monica have done since I got to Monica this way. No, darling, you did to yourself. Yesterday, let me tell you guys now, and in all these things, many of you that are thinking, oh, Monica, don't let everything. If I let everything out, if you're not okay, I said that one I know. All this one, and they talk, say people go kill themselves. If my God.
Attention.
If I open my mouth, people be wise and be careful. You know when I'm angry, I know more than what you think I've said. But I will still keep it. But that does not mean that I'm finished. That does not mean that, oh, Monica,
Even the Ivia herself, she knows. She's talking and she's still saying it. Oh, my sister Monica. Oh, and many of you know it. All you people are trying. These same people are the one trying to even push the Ivia to, you know how to say, oh my God.
People will go push people, say go fight Monica. They go there inside us. By the time the people when you push come to me, tonda fire me yae on my consign me. Iboli carry una tamegbe where you are coming. Bring your own weapon because me ever ready. Wake me for now. I'm ever ready. I'm soldier for the Lord. I know how to prepare. Ever ready. When this issue come out, God bear me witness yesterday. It was everywhere. Everybody was choking me with it. Look at that nonentity Upoko Egiakpalo lovely coming out to come and say rubbish. Upoko Egiakpalo, imagine no get a lady ni kegbeji me. Imagine no kegbeji. Even no ladia mu Jesus Christ.
Your colleague in the industry of that year.
Oh yeah, every ya do. So on your problem in a door what bueno. If you bona pass a lot of barrier when not ban everybody, so it's your business. Monica. You don't concern me. So you all know how I stand with Ivia when Ivia said a baby father collect children. All of una say na God may collect her. Not be me still tell una say God may not collect her. If they with baby father. But all of una cause they say, why woman go come, why man go come. I can still tell una say it can happen. I wish. Say the way Ivie tell me, say it take happen. If not so it take happen.
What do you want?
Then it's allowed to happen. Or he bought for year. He with the baby mama they divorce.
Want to put it?
The man go carry children. It's allowed. If not really the way if yet talk am. But lovely, she stood there. She doesn't know. She don't know how to put that song together.
No.
To know that okay, it can be that the talk where Ivie talk tell the story. That is why I will stand to defend that. If you talk say this is how we make government give your children to your baby father, and I really see that the one when you show me, because liars, they show you what you want to see
Pathological liars.
until when you overcome them.
Yes, sir.
Do you get me? So if you show me the one she want to show me and told me this is the reason why these children are with my baby father, and I really see the reason, I say okay.
And you believe
And
that?
I believe her. And all the time, I keep, anytime you guys are preaching, if you go collect your children, I'll say, but children there with their father. God may not take them. What it could be una problem? Not beside the tell now.
Yeah, so.
Now so they tell now, I'll say the rest issue more than liver. You understand? Una still come and say, hey, you know the shame. Now man, they give woman money. Now if you can they pay for children. Also, because of waiting if you tell me, I can also they tell you now say, more na liver if you na gallant woman, instead of me man they pay her, now she they pay man.
Yeah.
I think why you never hello.
Because now wait till you get time, Monica.
Monica,
Good evening.
I greet your friends when they want to.
We greet you too.
I'm not going to dress none of half your eyeglasses.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, lady.
I beg, no, na this is the people related and they don't say the people.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. I greet you, my lady. Bye. Thanks for calling. Bye.
Lolo YouTube, you are saying Monica must you insult Lovely. Did you watch the video Lovely did today? So
Lolo
please
YouTube?
take it like that. So oh, the video is making noise.
Okay, maybe it's the other
Too
phone.
high. Okay, so when Evie constantly tell me say see the reason why she dey pay her baby father, I also believe. You understand? And every month she will always give me reports. Did you see me? I ever open mouth to come tell una? I only tell una that day when you still be say una dey hit and hit and you know the shame. You know the shame.
I want to check if the sound is still too much. Okay. Right.
Okay. You know the shame. Nah. You dey go pay man money instead of make man dey pay. You know I come still tell una say if you're na gallant lady, na many of una na be single mother wey dey house, man no even dey pay una. Yet if you dey outside, he dey pay his children. Anyway, you are defending no wa. So yesterday now, this other video can come out, the audio. I mean, when me don't already hear a whole lot for this matter before, how this man take the abuser. You understand? And again, when I come here say the man, he don't still say audio to Orionba, I was very pissed off.
Very pissed off.
I was very angry.
Oh, there
Like
was
it
one-
cannot continue. This man cannot continue to do this for what?
There was one small.
Hello.
Hello, is that Lady Monica?
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening. Hello.
Okay. Good evening. We dey hear you.
No, I just dey come from work now.
Eh.
Hear say you mentioned one topic today about my brother.
Friday. Abina Osagiato.
My brother, that will be my brother.
Okay. Oh yeah. May I finish the one where I dey? I'll call you back.
Okay, now thank you.
Okay. Depression can lead to too much talk. Okay.
Yes, that's true.
You understand? So when I come see, when the audio come out, I was very pissed off. I was angry because I already know, say, this man, if they abuse Ivie, according to what I've been hearing from Ivie. Okay? So when I see the audio, I don't vex, say, it don't take on too much now. Now it's time for me to come in. I don't care. The first thing I ask Ivie, as I can't believe Ivie rich. I don't even say if you're not true or not lie. I don't even talk that one more than the year because yesterday, okay, I talk as a sister. Today, I really want to represent my platform, who I am, and I say it the way it is. Because I know the pity who know the pity itself. I know the pity who know the pity children. If you know the pity children, I'll fuck it up big time. If you know the pity yourself, me pity you where me mana ati no nya monga tu kon sonne no manya my ya he ku my ya he ba my ya he pipi iya he body odo me iya move.
Oh yeah.
Ejebe no manya kwa tu kon son me no make no ho iyo ya mu you where does be epele ya we ya to asen nya me obi o kan ni se le ya mu ebai. Almost to respect a boy, irrespective of maximum.
You there, I will block your my YouTube. No one when I finish.
Okay, so now I call Ivie. I don't even ask Ivie say audio not true or not lie because I don't believe her. The only thing I just ask, I say Ivie send me that motherfucker picture. I need that bastard. He got told a lot of him. A man, I want a totally. He was set a camera. You know, a telephone. You might not go. You know, if you were sending a man, he might need any shit. Oh, Timmy, oh, Timmy, hell, he may want me and see me what pressing. Well, no, nanny, do move. Hell, la, Nakasia, nay, na wa. Where Garcia may see a man, he may see a vehicle. He may manage disgrace a man now. He may manage deal with a man now. May we may
it was even it's on one of the recording we make when we were telling it to the man we guy me as you wave we met him with bed this guagua.
Yeah, Doniji.
Okay.
Daiji.
Man, I know.
Then if you are yakin, every man yakin le live.
He
way.
Ah no.
Ija. Let me to the little lewe o. Let me to the little lewe o poi. Eria kera no. If you na love it be. Mana dege no ya love it be. Me love it. Mana be me where if you where I am karate, agi me ne monica no omuji yo no mamuji ye gbegbe.
No lele.
Sabone la o last check up. Hello, Doniji. Hello.
Please know the one you're listening for.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Beba.
Koje.
Ime watch you when I hand. Okay, Monica, okay, sorry, okay, if you're not in the water now, what I say. What is our say? Who got it now?
Me go ni san, ona no wa ge na ti owo di owo was. Ni me u be no de me ma wo ni san. Ni me te ga owo mo no enegbe nu. Si so mo ne dani right dani je dano pe dano ku enegbo owo ahin. E pa mi awo po. Ya awo pa mi awefa. Hello.
So nice man.
Hello, Costa.
Koje.
La money is carry cover.
Hello.
Oh, darling, you said Monica's number. I cannot type it here. I can't type myself. If you have a pen, they copy it quickly. 0031.
Il m'a be no de my lady. Sans pas me la o. Il ga gbe, il na gele gbivie no de dan mi ni do kwa le hotel we bonani ge mi o. Ana mi ewe ugwe ki mere no de. I mere do gbivie. Eni ni do kwa le hotel we bonani ni wa mi o seneri a mi o se gbe gbe mi gbe dai ma. E ba mi agbe na. I me ye koko ya gbo ma na. Iwi agbo me by the way pretend o ja agbo ma ni. O ma ni mi aye pretend ya gbe. Iye pretend ya gbo wa o wa set o pan je set ni ma vi vi o ma se gbo na bo lo go me gbe depression kere you look be depression o we ye look go me have you kun ne
31
ya be work pa ye we ha
634 0619
atama we go ene a hi wa mu eria na ma lady go me continue call je we se kakabo wa mu eria ene agbegbe kan gbogbo wa e to ti ogun nu wa ati e wa ono ti ogun me a ati ogun me awon ga ti ogun me e wa ze ti ori me wa e ogun ipon mo ri me ason ada ene na ti e. One lady was talking if emi yo nu by my like even ya fi mi yo me ro. Now if you me want to how come they use it direct? They say I beat am. Anybody wey feel say I beat am yesterday, you be mugu. You be mugu. We me ne money carry me ya gbo won saba me now. Hello. Hello, good evening. No, call Jay. No, na she I cut. Sorry, na cut you were there. No say na call you back. Omoke we ya gun fo.
Okay, then they say they are watching wake up. No here. To wear me down. You know my own name. Understand me now. So you see when it down.
You copied it.
Oh, and I came a single mother Olivier Nahive. You left away, madame. Oh, woman, my sister, Bogi left away where he call Likia. Where's your cigar? Where J Club be talo since we live video what alone the dead bay. Oh, so we are deving out anywhere. Thank you. Say your your pai single mother. Yare lovely no. Lovely no ka ask your single mother no. Lovely be yes was better ma. O ma ya ko ya gbegbe wo we mu ke ro we ewewo. You di we o e te ki yan we na cover ni gallant queen no ma gallant ropa. If you no me swag, they can never swag je. Opo no me swag e ya mo gbogbo wa. Opo no me swag o mo ya pa pion ya yi opa. The swag even the swag even
no husband you can take care.
Thank you my lady. Thank you. Oh, opo no me swag no me obi yes 1 year swag got money here. Opo no me swag ne mo fi lo gbegbe. If you go and take your time. And the make sure we yara gwan be yara sole so de kere anyone nu ibu ya de we e de so wo kan is a big godo gbe sole.
That's true.
If ye America go egbon ma ho e UK go egbon ma ho e Nigeria go egbon ma ho e ra go egbon ma ho no really go egbon wa blocking wa mo o re ban yan me ni dem o ri me because me igboloko ni no wo kan ye ku irasuwe ugbeme fo me making a yagbe yo when we yawe o me metin me yawe video be ason iwo wi e we dey agbe anytime ni yare ya much he make sure 10 kilo ya draw.
Oh, now you people are now begging that the one of yesterday was enough.
No, No, now come here. Now the cool wacky viene lita what here na na.
Now you know what to ask.
Hello, my lady. Hello.
Oh, now please, it's okay. Let's see the changes that will happen. Hey, yeah.
No, it me understand what.
Anyway. For me, I'm done. I hope she listen and I wish her all the best. But with this kind of group of people that some are calling,
so oh man, I the same cloth. I asukmona I gbina.
Oh God.
Na. I the same cloth. I asukmona I gbina so that I not come tear your me because say because your own light. Maybe the same cloth because if you not fit tear my own, you know so I don't beat you finish.
Oh my God. Anyway, guys. If you need you guys help, everybody's help.
Okay, on my own.
Everybody's help. Okay. If you need everybody.
Okay, help. My lady, you need continue. Mudiani gegeti omanuti. Oh.
If you need everybody.
I have better people. Me why call you me vie. If you ti abo ni me mene Monica. Adugbe papa no ni bi pele kage. Hello J. Ya mu we yesika o.
Hey, that's my Jesus woman.
Welcome home of your in your bar. When you play or in they don't call you when they like you. Or we are where Gala or where Papa Rosso goes as in your bar. Or we are now where I know if you when
no, you say the men the same cloth, my yasukuni, my yakbina. And he answered where Monica said, I walk by my carry. Larry. Atanukbo, if you know me swag, don't want to your I say, oh, bath. Madame Era, Madame Ejo, Madame Yoko, Madame Yoko, and Monica is the damn Indian.
My mom said Facebook or he get live video girl because it's me on those things to understand. But if you allow go, do not know anything. We have all of them Monica go against you when they think you well, go.
They are with my grandma. If you are affecting now, if you are maybe now.
On behalf of it, because of your job on social media. When one of someone promotes you on social media, we've been working in a village that in which they are people who are. That's why that was a village to now. Now, if we have the platform one, like in the village, in a event to well out of what to put in now, or someone take you what to another higher level now. We are so safe here, where you can make a young person because. A position a blessing unto the land of the new kingdom, a blessing unto the world, a blessing platform you are just forgive her. Just forgive her because of the help. You people have helped that girl. And you know, many of you that again, you really helped Ifie. And she was so happy, no matter level where I did. Whether what Ifie na any belay who those are singing Bali village you are, Jack boy, who they right.
When give you a time, you say your bam on be on your same na time na wagi ma dekun egbe. Wagi ma eva dekun egbe na to lu na le gbe. Wana tuna. Wana ye bowe yo peke na. Iyo wese je wese kakabo wese. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Okay.
Love you people who are worshiping me after worship for all the love and the care we are worshiping.
Thank you
so much.
Bye. I did come. Another person.
Okay. Well, I put it on. Ivie case will be settled, and you guys should please support and help her. Okay? Support and help her so she can be fine. The way you guys are going about it, trying to blame someone for her mistakes, it won't help Ivie. I'm telling you guys. You know, one thing I've come to understand about our African people is we always look for someone to blame for our mistakes. Before ever Ivie get to know Monica, this whole thing I've been playing. So it won't be funny if Ivie try to shift it on someone at this moment and you guys are supporting. It won't be fair. You guys will not help. You are not helping. No, darling, that's not the number. I said, oh, this lady wants to call. 34. The last number is
24.
1924. Add 24. No.
Please,
add 24 to the number.
Please let the matter
okay.
Ma, if you we not get quarrel.
My darling, add 24 to the number at the end.
Okay, but why are they angry of Ivie right now? Ivie is so self-centered. Yes. Ivie don't care about nobody. Her. It's all about her.
And that's not
how can somebody be looking for love everywhere? You say you don't love man where you born for. You they go look for love for where love not they born. If your children they look for your own love, children when you bring to this world, they can't get it.
That's not fair.
Is that fair?
That's not fair.
Is that fair? And again, one thing that is making me angry. If many people they talk now, Monica why I finish, but okay. Any more ball. Then on Japan, and now when we were the robot for better one who were begging, now you got change here. Evan J. If you got change, every no ya move. If you video where you they do since yesterday, I they look you. Do you know why I'm angry? You are putting lie on top of lie. How dare you? How dare you?
Knowing fully that
how
Monica
dare you?
Not brought everything out to, and you still have the energy.
What did you think? Okay, she entered video today. She said, "Hey, my sister, I know you are. I cannot tell you everything now. But you, my sister, you not fit tell me everything. But outside that, your so-called baby father, where you not love, where not good, where punish you, he can tell me everything. Are you stupid? Are you?" Are you? Umega me alaye gawina gario wa ino. And then this same man now. No whatever destroy when if you are so grateful.
Yes.
Or if I must tell you.
The man cover up for
if you are so grateful.
If you is using it to buy some of our followers saying
because I'm not like one of all these people where go pay where you walk so that tomorrow if I see you good or bad I'll say I did my best.
Yes.
If you're this same man that you are not saying he want to destroy you. This same man, I called this man 2 or 3 years ago. When you are on Keke, this man cover up for you.
He covered for Ivie.
As I be one beat you rich that time we really the quarrel. This man, one word is said to me. He make me call that video. He not be your better, give me a tap. Why you remember that? Damn no one you make bye. Igire mami metaina inari is sort in the demeanor where that man they don't cook and don't wanna no make that man only obuni. That's why I can't talk now. You guys remember those when they watch that time. Okay, now that same man, if they can't come out now, they can't say he betrayed me, he do this, he do that, he do. If you let me tell you one thing,
Monica, and the man said it to Monica, and the man said,
and you said you cannot now. You cannot come now. You can't be telling me now. But you are always telling your motherfucker followers. You are idiot people. Things I don't know. You will go down, you will tell down. You stupid. Who are you deceiving? Me, Monica? You will carry paper. But you not fit send me paper or proof if it's true, because you know I'm smarter than the rubbish people that you are talking to. But your own baby father can send me proof because he have nothing to hide. But you that is full of shit and caca ones. If you keep on deceiving yourself, they think say you they deceive social media people. Social media people, he have them in here losing.
Okay, speak, my brother.
See, they'll put popcorn. Monica say,
speak, my brother.
My brother talk.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, talk. We are hearing you.
Okay. If you didn't hear me, I want to tell how I want. No marriage for disappoint problem not today. Sometimes, if you get problem with your husband, now make you know the difference. That make you go outside. You don't search outside, you don't say outside. Why you don't go back home? Why they say you leave 3 children for your husband? You don't easy for one woman to take care of 2 people to take care of children. How much more only one man? You just bring more problem to yourself. I like that man to take care of that children, go to work, take care of pet children, feed them. It's happiness. That's what I'm not about. Not that I really have interest in the issue, but I want to reason and think back. If you go back to that man, even if you don't want to beg him,
Somebody else is calling.
If you know, she got no love for anybody, only for herself.
Don't worry. Wait, somebody said, Monica, I remember now you talk, say person. Good evening, my lady.
Okay, speak.
Good evening, Monica and Lolo. Good evening.
Good evening.
Now, me call, wait, you know me already, you understand me. Mama,
What happened?
Okay, you are.
Okay.
Anybody not try to work if you where Uto display money. Even now, when it's over, I don't think the man come out again. It's done. You don't know when you want it. Women in Tana, and another thing, Sister Lau, we want it where if anything that passes so Tona passing way. I go more than that, maybe you want to have Maya said it, but they don't like with some one, but who can I so be in it?
Oh, my passing something good. I said it was one way, no, we made that gay. If you don't move on, who are you okay? Are you okay? No, you sa.
Everywhere we are starting as a mother, where again the mother that just from the beginning. You understand? Momwe matana momwe ki time mofi. Momwe matana ki e. E pana bi e kwazo. Ina we pa no. Obi okana, se no ja una e ma. Ege to akun bi ba ko do e we ge to sunu e ma mu ti ye. E pa we so do atinya ni ke obi ya be ye ge ko yo na be e o te ge ki ano. Obi nya ya ni ke we ye ge ko da e pa la wo we be ro mo we ki. Se pe so bi okana na. Ina si fe na we see ya ate me na e ya ka bi pa. Or when it happens, when they get away because he ain't have a bag, we forget about Tony. So far, they will now stop. If I know what my most people is name, I'm telling you, I'm bad at Muffy. Yeah, not on every bit of any time away. Or they get the bad Muffy, that woman on my feet, where when they go to Puwet, and I do women, I love the hair, and I do time. So that nobody not stop, and if you may not go back to a morning. Because any better as I'm talking so. It might be your father, I will take your back if we make it exist. As possible. Happy to it. Because that's possible. If you can make a life with you, or can make a statement of that. Who were president manager quickly at Yako more if you a manager quickly at your situation when in your muscle.
not our no.
Every matter okay, no, every matter okay. Over look at them away, Samu, near the getting, but now, if you want every yes. Every matter okay.
Dia pe ye wo we dia pe bi yan ye wo wo later.
She's not okay.
If you go enter Bible, they go, they say, I love children. I love children. The passion I have for children. How can you love children when you don't love your own? How can you love children when your 8 years old son have never seen you for more than how many years? We money okay that go if you can I've been here the name okay master of your money or money ke ya wu or devil if open be or do go ya love ma ya me we good fun ya we you. Thank you, my lady. Wesley. Check up in my lady. Let me comment it. So come you go get that of man the way that video. Oh, you winning my that no who call it, but when no one get you, only one baby, because of Maya, Miami, where's the J? Oh, my dad, yeah. Oh, imagine you got a table me, but all the notes are on me. Oh, it's a bomb, every woman, you know, pocket a bomb, Maka, you know, Mama, where and I'm not been a living. When more ya fair, no, he guijin, and when I get a bomb, she will channel it to London. If you just right, I will just make sure your other one you have. If you know they cost you, they say, nah, people, they say, la. If you know they cost you. So, as I was saying, my people, if you waiting vex me, now the lie when you they come put on top of lie. And again, you said what you can. I cannot tell you everything, but you are saying it to live video people. Yes, so which respect you can't get from me? Something where you for show me for inside body, me go clean the shit.
Oh man.
You not show me, but today you have the impetus to come to Facebook and be showing the receipt and paper and all that. Who they feed
That's
you?
The only part I feel bad
if
about.
you who they feed you, tell me what I don't know. Because you tell me say that you they feed yourself. Again, if you are controlling ya, I cannot believe no shit again.
That's the only part that saddens my heart. That Monica gave you open hands. If it's okay, if
you don't check receipt, you don't show me.
Still, you were still holding song and behaving as if she's a stranger, you know. That was really sad. You know. That was not nice.
Facebook, oh, it don't reach 4 hours. It don't reach.
It don't reach. So that was really sad. That was the only part that really. Where's the other phone? Check it with the other phone. That's the only sad part about it. Outside that, I'm not really angry. Things can happen. It's back.
It's back. Okay,
Ooh,
sorry, guys.
God.
Oh my God, it's back. I just take everybody out. Oh my God, they are coming.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
That's the only.
So, if you nobody they feed you, but you can come out night, daytime, and you go they tell them you are not depressed. Who are you fooling? They are looking at you, fooling yourself. Okay?
Oh my God.
That one
No,
don't,
it's not. It's a
that one
good
don't stick
festival.
pass. If you now when me come know, say yesterday we be talk say no come live video again. But now where I see say you get issue with live video.
Yeah.
Number one, people they feed you inside. Number two, without live video you go die. I don't want make you die.
No.
They come live video.
Yes.
But get them for mind. One lie you say, Monica, your
Is there to
sister,
punish you?
I will come. I will iron it. I will dry it. I want give back to the cast.
No, you want to brush it like it.
No way.
I wanted to.
I'm going to wash it. I'm going to
Special
iron it,
toothpaste.
and I will dry it and take it back to the cast.
To dry cleaner
You
straight.
dey yes so if you dey lie, know that Monica knows everything already. If you sit down, maybe they don't tell you some. When they tell me now, you can't come out. Can they say light off for us? How many times? If you book no you know where, book no you know where kokunu where re ni zesan where.
Abio.
Kobo you know where. Book you know where re. If you do you know how many women? Do you know how many women born for man? It mean Monica, so when you they look. 2 children I born for man. I don't get paper. 2 children I born. The time where I want go into the marriage, before I born, you don't get paper since. Now today we don't know say men they lie. Sometimes they don't even lie. Oh. As my husband not lie. Now because of when I eat and rich things. But they say, not be waiting you plan when you the kick goats. Then you go come plan when time to lick water.
College.
Now they say man propose, God dispose. Me myself, when they marry me, they say born. They tell me say before I born, Netherlands paper don't shell.
You don't shell.
I can't born one finish.
No paper.
No paper. They can't even take brother home.
Now some people know.
If you go make talk, man,
don't understand.
Oh, the normal giawa. Ah. Elistiki makume we do ati.
And not simple. Man.
What I help me? Who did that? Makume we akpa gobo.
Oh, zoom.
Oh, sumerije. He can't give me belly. I can't get born. I not get paper.
For 9 years.
How many years ago until now when you balance? Look at me, Monica. The same thing that you put to me. Now when I get my third picking belly, now they give me paper. If you look at me, I when what don't learn you obey money. Why we na sabi too much?
As I get money from my pocket, balance it.
I don't listen to you. Everything when you say he happen to now, he happen to me, oh. But look at us today. You know why? You were busy pursuing how you want to follow back door. Come on for that man as me. I was busy polishing the window, making sure say the tear where we get, I go put cloth on top of fan. I make sure say they bag the children.
What are you
I go
talking?
make sure say before my husband come from work and school together. Even your husband not even get work and school. My own students, if he close for school, he go follow the internet duty. I not go stay out there as you suffer they do internet. I'll come call and when you go come, you eat this early morning. I'll wake up with belly. I'll come make food wait for round. I was so full. All I needed was his love. And he loved me. And he was ready to give me everything he promised. But he power not reach him because he not be immigration. He won't give me paper. But he not be immigration. I wish that they see paper for bank. God thief come. Now that one, Aaron Bate ya thief for the first time. He will go thief. He will say, I will not thief money. Money is nothing. I will not do drugs. I don't need it. I will not fraud my fellow human being because we are all one. But if there is anywhere they put paper, say if I reach that fit take and put Monica face, he go say I go thief and come for Monica. But there was no place. That word alone make me love him and build with him. Ivie. Now so they can't lose their ass. Now so they can't. Who tell you say I don't see all for body? Who tell you? Me I not come because of you come they talk because then I because of you talk is say well okay. So you can't know that when you need to tell the secret in no book because my who my okpa. You dey hear me so? I do all my own. I go still call am. Wetin you want? You tell him money. I'll cook and wait time.
You still give am beer big girl.
I go big and beer big. Now they tell now. So they say before I born one pikin, I go get paper. I can't born one pikin. Paper not there. Before I know, I don't be a big girl for now. Where you way? I move your boat. The way bread, you know. I move your boat. Pa. Baby, that the book da ki make a boogie. Maybe. But we have love. We were together. I was not planning to follow if paper just reach my hand. I don't fell love. I just follow back door. Nothing say that so easy. If you just say that every woman will plan say I want get paper from this one. If I get a thing wrong, now all of them succeed. Vie or your fool. Many since when they take paper from Oibo by fake love. Agbomari Maya. If you hear the go North Africa, a black boy go for a webo. Oh, if you hear the sister now, we can marry Bono go again. We are immune. A book bear, organic criminal, my backbone, oh, pleasant glow. Eh, ya wo. There you. A carol like to take beyond one. Stop. You the yes, so now organic cream. Yes. Pleasant glow. Now they come to the rub. We can bring their skin. Come away. You can say, "Hey, this sister. If a marrow you bought that time, they can say, okay, there is skin before." It be not finish. Fake love, fake problem.
Yes, sir.
Everlasting problem.
Yes.
You see abroad paper. Abroad paper. Hey, if you use wayo taken, you need to pray. Put knee down, fast and pray. God, not let this wayo come worry me. Everybody will use wayo take paper. Now, so wayo they follow them.
One problem the other. You win. Not be lie.
If you use wayo collect paper for black real man, who ya mudia ho emi no amiena.
Even Oyibo self.
Who here go you go. If you use wayo take paper for Oyibo, now God then go save you. Many of you now, why look la a problem for because of fake paper.
For real. And that's what is wrong with Ivie. If it's true that Ivie never loved this man from the beginning, she wanted the paper. But today, as she got
15 people, they go see paper for your hand, they go carry to follow you. I love you. They want to take your paper, if they take a finish. Oh, Giso, no muya boy,
and then they will start to
I never love you.
But when you were waiting for that paper,
so one woman will call me. He carry a paper. He say he called me for Spain. He said this is paper. Now you both give her. Okay? He play Ibo 419. Oh, why this video? They always do like this now. Okay? He say he play Ibo, say I love you. Now you both take give her. So he can't live Oyibo because he don't love Oyibo. Na paper he wants. He says since when he can't live Oyibo, now so 419 black boys now in the sea. They don't turn out to 3 single mother, different men. No, baby father 1, baby father 2, baby father 3. Do they yes so? So this lady, una don't come back. Sorry, my network they fall in and out. Now so. This lady, people will come na for year. One lady called me for Spain. He said, "Now Oyibo give a paper." He don't love that Oyibo. He collect the paper by trick. He collect and through window. You not better when you left. He says since when he don't take the paper, na tiri baby father. Now he don't play on 419. All of them go cry. I love you, because of the paper. He go give him picking. The man go collect paper. Pure. He said the third one can't happen. He can't they think this thing. Why can't they do one like this now? I've been because he still use thief. You the yes so. So now this lady can call me. Monica see one time. I can say maybe not be here, but at the same time, as your mind don't already tell you, pray put. Make God for help you. He want give the fourth man. They like so. The fourth man not get paper na man. The fourth man say, I go marry you. We not go tell my family because if we tell my family, they not go agree. But now you I love, now you I go marry. So another of this girl friend come from somewhere. Come tell this girl say, you don't see what they first do me and what they still do you three. Now this one will do you again. But this lady now, she come there one kind that to say, as a woman, as I won't be here you or no now they show a love in it. In a way, we will show you love in my book. But it was so I no salo and no forgive you. We realize in any new women, sister, do the yes so. May God help this woman. May be say, oh, we do not complain for 1 night for the 4th time again. But some people go play it for 1 night. It go good for them. Do yes so.
It's even good for them. You know they pray secretly about it.
So if you I don't see what your baby father where you the suffer will not go through.
It's normal life.
Okay, except the one where you they pull life for years. Say they say you go road work. They don't say me go road work one day. But that man, your baby father, oh who po na anywhere. He ga vimbo yo. Except again now you ga matter. Ana me we one day you ma get we jupo you na tama we la de doari you po o we tag mo ma we bu I na get we I ma na get we you po o we beginning of problem na hin ame to be me na gbe me yo because I want na ana me wo gele ge wo po na me mu gbegbe na me gbe me yo ana me go ma me ge wo mo eke na ya mo ya ne Facebook ya to ma Facebook ma ya de ibi Facebook ina be gbe me yo we na be gbe me yo uladian eri owo na eri mi aje meke me no so na mo ko e fa yo mo body ma me be tete na iwa me ibi awon mo no po bi ai kedo mi ebe nwa oh, what by sofa le lopia. I knew one no make a chicken alone with opia. Have you alone here? Me learn here. Me ye chicken or packet can alone. Mana you na
what happened is come on.
Mana you mana lo ye runda na e wo my talo. E de na na my vana. Me na ye chicken ji. Eri ma aye learn. Breast. The thing is, I'm not lorry. I call like that over the cliff and come in.
Oh, be gone, eh? Oh, be gone.
Love is the best. You need to love yourself.
But this
so
life
that
Vijay is talking about is a normal life when you are having a family. It's a normal family life.
And that man
children.
also,
you know,
he said though he boas. That man play Oyibo for one I love also. He want to give the paper to Ivie. Eli yana woke up. Nah.
But at least if you know my car one was supposed to build that home. You understand? If you was supposed to build that home.
Instead of Ivie to build the home, she was looking for back door to follow come on.
That was
if paper comes, I go. And so Mumu hello, my lady.
I'm in the glory.
What?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
I greet you. I want to keep it. This is very shocking.
Okay.
Yesterday is really, really shocking.
Yes.
I waiting for all
Yes.
this. See, if you don't know where about the eat, whether waiting they eat, the reason why I feel again from
Wa me mi ogwegwe no rugwe na wa na ete wa ga mi ogwegwe no rugwe. Hey, if you me ya ne but that my dear.
I was like, are you really like this?
Ketiri, you were new. he know the year, Katie. He know the year. Are you mad? Because he and you no may be an rock. Oh, man, not a take where me vie gawe no sense. Then if a denak be a moi mi tie. If you might work a relationship in it, oh, but if you're not a laduna toge, mena, you have a related, a yana ni wabe takere and a meta security, and in work with time metana, where Ubu was so far, menaveta, maybe so far. We are not promising a be married, maybe so far. But the marriage in Yemen, you the name. I will not feel pain, Jesus. The people that don't feel pain, I will let feel their pain. Keteri, we are feeling pain. Oh, melody, you are man. Ere notino, ere keteti, ere keteri, oh, bonton. Keteri, if you say you no go take medicine, if you say you no depressed, if you say na live video you like, if you say you like his children, you like live video una. If you like a keteri, say me. If you have family, you block ya so far the keteri guy or signé. Keteri wa mi vie. But mena. Since the family ya fe, I mean no do me na vie. Since me very live video na, me o. Mi awari tablet ni. Ni ye wi you nu yari ni. Mo ki agadi. When on the blocking in, or block a right, or block a jet, or block option, or block up here, no really go on your blocking. If you can't block me, if you block me, open wide, if you look my eye, you go see me for YouTube. If you block me for Facebook, you go see me for YouTube. If you block me for YouTube, you go see me for Instagram.
He doesn't need it. After more for sneezing.
I'm not depressed. Africa yari I would expect pure young. Boma depressed. Oh. Boy. Exactly. Somebody, thank you, Jay. Somebody is asking, Monica, is it true that if your son have autism? Look at me, where? Do I look like Ivie? Look at my brain. Do I look like Ivie? Do you think I'm like Ivie that have family on Facebook? No. Me, I have real family. Facebook is for our, you know how we they do. So that question, I will not answer you. But if Ivie have the guts to come and answer you, I will come and any lie when Ivie tell you now me go they tell you the truth. This una know now. Ivie, me and you not get problem. But any lie when you like for my people, when me they try make we all better for Europe, you want bend their head. I go come tell them the real truth. If you look my eye,
Yo.
yes. Look my eye.
Oh my goodness.
If you come max, you can't answer person say, my son is not this, my son was this, it was not. I can't tell them how the thing happen from the one to the end.
Oh, God.
If you come max, you can't lie on top of your baby father. I'll come tell the truth what it really happen. If you come and you lie for your father, I'll come tell them the truth. If you do today, you wait to save you. Umatebone is okay. May I see you do video again? You threaten is okay with your nonsense abroad. You go see I go come and come tell them the cocos. If me want here for a rock by the raw. If ye, no sooner Iwa heya for fe we ben Monica deve na go ye kerosene. Nene or twaji up spread.
Yes, now.
Wa when you wa kale from one family no see me juwe see me oh yeah no that many wa when you carry my way he carry my way be for we be kana erije.
Thanks everyone for watching. It's been a long day.
Okay.
Really appreciate you all. Thanks for having me, guys. So my YouTubers, I really
if you
appreciate
see my
you guys.
eye, they send me a
Love you
comment.
all.
If
Bye.
you see my